Welcome to the DFIS. In today's lesson we are going to talk about Judas Swing. So in the previous lessons we talked about the features of a candle. For a bullish candle, which are open, low, high, close. For a bearish candle, open, high, low and close. So the name Judas Swing comes after the idea of the betrayal move, referencing Judas that betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver by Bible. So Judas Swing represents a fake false move in one direction, pushing the retail traders into their positions, and after that getting them liquidated and moving in the opposite direction. So right now you can see these vertical lines on my chart. I want you all to do the same as I do now. Go here down in the time zone, put your time on the UTC -4, specifically the New York time, and mark with the vertical lines this open, 0 open of every day. So let's say from the start of a week, which is Monday. So I want you to mark the Monday open, after that the Tuesday, after that the Wednesday, and so on. So if we take a better look, we got this part here, which is the open of that week or that day, Monday. After that we got the movement, bullish movement, which is the Judas Swing of that day. Every candle on every time frame has Judas Swing. So we got open, after that bullish movement, cleaning this buy side liquidity and stopping at some zone of interest, which is this last up close candle that includes more than one down close candles, which makes it a bearish order block. So the price stopped here, pushes the retail traders after cleaning this buy side liquidity here into buy positions and got them immediately stopped out. After that we got a bearish movement, which is the lowest part of that day, and after that we got the close of that day. After that comes the new day open. We got this part here. So this bearish candle is just at the open of that day. After that we got the Judas Swing of that day, which pushes retail traders into sell positions, cleaning this sell side liquidity here, and the price stops here by this gap on the left side. So this part here is a Judas Swing. Specifically, let's show you what's a Judas Swing on a candle. So Judas Swing on a candle represents, for a bullish candle, when the price opened at that time frame, which is on 1 hour time frame, we can see we had here open of that candle. After that we got this bearish movement, fake movement, which is this weak or low of that candle, and this part here is called Judas Swing. So Judas Swing. After that we got, this is the part where pushes the retail traders into their sell positions. After that comes the bullish movement and the distribution part, going in the right direction. So for the bearish candle, I'll give you some better example. We can see we had on this candle here, we get the open of the candle. After that, high of that candle, which is this part here. So this part here, as you can see. So this part here is called Judas Swing. After that, pushing the retail traders into buy positions, and after that, as you can see, the price touched this bearish order block and has gone in the opposite direction. So let's continue where we stopped. We were on Tuesday. So here was the open of that day. After that we got this bearish movement, which is this whole part from this just open of that day is Judas Swing. After that we got a bearish movement, cleaning this buy side liquidity. And after that we got the close of the day. Next day comes, which is Wednesday. As we can see, the whole that daily candle looks like this. Just if you take a better look, we can see that the whole that day looks like this, and we don't have the bullish wick, so the highest part of that daily candle, it just closes at that highest part. So this part here for that bullish candle is a Judas swing. Again, this wick from the open of that candle is a Judas swing. So we got here some distribution. If we take a better look at the chart, we'll see that we got here some accumulation on the Monday. On the Tuesday we got some manipulation, and then the distribution day or D-phase day comes, so which is the Wednesday. And on the Thursday comes the continuation day, which wants to clean this buy side liquidity and pushing up. So if we take a better look, we got again the Thursday open, which is this part here. So this part here. After that we got the Judas swing of that day. The price went down, cleaning this sell side liquidity here on the left side and pushing the retail traders into sell positions. If we take a better look, we got here the last down close candle in the price, which leaves, if you take a better look, we got the bodies above the low of the body of this candle. So it can specifically or even correctly, it can be like this. If they leave the body inside this candle, it's still a bullish candle. So this is a bullish candle that protects this low here. So this low here is protected by this bullish candle, or we got again this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and after that the price went up, forms a high, which is this part of that day, and closes here. So I hope you understood. I'll show you one more thing. If we take now a better look, we can see that the open of that week was this part here. After that we got the lowest part, which is this part here, and the highest part of the week, and the close of that week. So I want to show you how that weekly candle looks like. So if we take a better look, we'll see that this weekly candle, so this whole week on one candle or 1 week time frame, looks like this. We got the open of that week. After that, this part here, which is called Judas Swing. So again, this part here is called the Judas Swing, the fake move, after what the price goes in the opposite direction, pushing the retail traders into the sell positions and getting them stopped out immediately. After that we got the highest part of that candle and the final close of the weekly candle. So this is what on a weekly time frame candle looks like. So that's pretty much all of it for this lesson. I hope you understood what is a Judas swing and you learned something new. So that's pretty much. Have a nice time and see you soon.